If you know anything about Jasmine, baby, you already know. The washateria is her second home, okay? It's that time of the week again. Let's go wash. Okay, Aubrey already took her sheets off. I need to take mine off. Okay, she's ready. Now for this, I done decided I can't take all of this. So whatever can fit in this bag, that's what's gonna get washed today. Why the only thing that fit in here was the towel? So we're gonna have to say this to tomorrow. Bree don't have school tomorrow anyway, so we don't need these clothes. We're gonna wash the comforters, sheets, towels.